They say that abundance can come from the simplest actions, even things we'd never expect. Imagine if all it took to invite wealth into your life was a small change right in your own home. What if I told you that the path to financial prosperity could start with something as simple as cleaning your front door? Yes, you heard that right. There are stories, age-old beliefs, and even recent experiences where people have seen unexpected changes in their lives, all after performing this one, seemingly ordinary task. In today's video, we'll dive into the fascinating world of energy flow and how something as routine as cleaning your entrance could hold the key to attracting financial success. You'll learn why this specific spot in your home is so important, the powerful meaning behind keeping it clean, and how certain methods are said to amplify the flow of wealth and positive energy. This is no typical cleaning tip. This practice has roots in both tradition and modern spiritual beliefs, blending together to reveal an intriguing approach to inviting prosperity. Stay with us, because by the end, you'll have all the steps you need to turn your home's entrance into a welcoming gateway for abundance. If you've been curious about the little-known ways people use energy and intention to shift their financial situations, or if you're ready to add a unique new habit to your life, this is a video you won't want to miss. Welcome to your channel name, where we uncover the secrets and insights that could just change your life. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you're always in the loop with the latest tips on wealth, positivity, and living a life aligned with abundance. Let's get started. The doorway to your home is more than just a physical entrance. It's a powerful symbol, a space where two worlds meet. Think of it as the dividing line between the outer world, filled with various energies, and the personal sanctuary within your home. In many cultures, this point of entry is revered as a sacred boundary. It's where we welcome guests, bring in new items, and step into a space of rest and privacy. Because of this unique position, the doorway often symbolizes a transition point, a place where fresh energy flows in and out, carrying with it the potential for change, growth, and, as some believe, abundance. Throughout history, doorways have held a significant place in cultural and spiritual practices. In some traditions, the entrance is blessed or purified to ensure only positive energies pass through. It's believed that the condition of this entryway reflects the kind of energy allowed into one's life. If the doorway is neglected, dusty, or cluttered, it can act as a block, potentially stopping beneficial energy from entering. This is why, in many ancient customs, people would place protective symbols or regularly cleanse their entrances as a way to protect their homes and welcome positivity. Keeping this area clean is about more than simple tidiness. It's an intentional act to maintain a clear, open path for prosperity and luck to flow inside. When we clean this space, we're also clearing out stagnant or old energies that may have accumulated, inviting a renewed, vibrant energy that sets the tone for everything that enters. Each time you clear away dirt, polish the handle, or remove obstacles near your door, you're sending a message: you're open, you're ready, and you're welcoming positive influences into your life. This belief in the doorway as an energetic channel has a deeply rooted connection to prosperity. A clean, open, and well-maintained entrance invites abundance in much the same way that a garden invites growth. It sets the tone for wealth, harmony, and a sense of flow. The doorway becomes more than just a boundary, it's a portal, a passage that channels positive energies directly into your home, creating an environment primed for prosperity. Cleaning the doorway isn't just about appearances, it holds a deeper significance in attracting and maintaining positive energy. In many belief systems, cleanliness is seen as a magnet for good energy, and this is especially true for the entrance to one's home. When you clean the doorway, you're essentially clearing the path for positive energy to enter freely, unburdened by any obstacles. Dirt, clutter, and grime act like stagnant blocks, slowing down or even stopping the flow of prosperity into your life. They can weigh down the energy, creating a feeling of heaviness that subtly affects the atmosphere in your home. Imagine the doorway as a welcome mat for abundance. When it's fresh, open, and clean, it sends a clear message this is a space where prosperity is encouraged and invited. By regularly cleaning the doorway, you're practicing a type of energetic maintenance, ensuring that the path is always clear for new opportunities, wealth, and blessings. This act of cleaning transforms into something symbolic. It's more than a chore, it's an intentional practice of inviting abundance to freely enter. Clutter or dust at the entrance can unknowingly impact our lives, reflecting blockages that may hold us back in subtle ways. Many people have found that after giving special attention to this space, they feel lighter, more open to new ideas, and even notice a boost in financial or personal opportunities. By actively caring for this transition point, you're creating an atmosphere that naturally aligns with prosperity. The clean, welcoming entryway becomes a visual and energetic cue that signals readiness to receive positive change, making it easier for wealth and abundance to flow naturally into your life. The process of cleansing your door can be both a simple routine and a powerful ritual for inviting wealth into your home. Start by clearing away any debris, dust, or dirt that may have collected around the door and its frame. This first step sets the stage, creating a blank canvas for fresh energy to flow in. As you remove cobwebs or wipe down surfaces, imagine yourself sweeping away any stagnant energy or obstacles that may have been blocking prosperity. Once the debris is cleared, prepare a cloth and a bowl of water to give the door a deeper cleanse. For an extra layer of positivity, you can add a few drops of essential oils known for their cleansing and uplifting properties, such as lavender or sage. These scents are often used in rituals to purify spaces and elevate energy, bringing a sense of calm and clarity to the area. With each gentle wipe of the cloth, imagine inviting in the energy of abundance, preparing a welcoming path for wealth and good fortune to enter your home. As you go through this cleaning process, you can also incorporate a mindful visualization practice. Many people find it powerful to picture prosperity entering as they clean, envisioning the doorway as a gateway that opens only to positive, enriching experiences. Some cultural and spiritual practices recommend affirmations or blessings during the cleaning, spoken silently or aloud, to further charge the area with intention. For instance, as you wipe down the handle, you might say, "I welcome abundance and prosperity into my life." These small, intentional acts enhance the sense that your home's entrance is now ready to draw in wealth and opportunity. This ritual can be performed regularly, reinforcing the message that your space is always prepared for new blessings. Over time, this practice may not only improve the physical appearance of your entrance, but also foster an inner feeling of openness and readiness for prosperity to flow effortlessly into your life. To further amplify the welcoming energy of your entrance, consider placing symbols of prosperity near the doorway. Many people find that small plants, such as bamboo or jade, known for their connection to growth and abundance, serve as beautiful and meaningful additions. A lush, green plant by the door creates a natural invitation for positive energy to grow and circulate, signaling that your home is open to receiving wealth and fortune. Additionally, a welcoming symbol like a small charm or an object tied to good luck can further reinforce the intention of prosperity. These elements not only elevate the aesthetic appeal of the entrance but act as subtle beacons, drawing in abundance. Keeping the entrance area free from obstacles is another powerful way to enhance the flow of positive energy. An open pathway has an effect on both energy and opportunity, making it easier for good fortune to find its way into your life. When shoes, boxes, or other items block the entryway, it can unconsciously create a feeling of restriction or clutter, which may impact the smooth arrival of new opportunities. By clearing this area, you're creating a direct, uninterrupted path for prosperity to reach you. Consistency is key when it comes to maintaining this practice. Making a habit of keeping the entrance clean and orderly reinforces the message that your home is always ready for wealth and blessings to enter. Each time you tend to this space, you're renewing your intention for abundance, allowing positive energy to flow freely. This steady upkeep transforms the entrance into more than just a threshold. It becomes an active, inviting space for prosperity to flourish. By putting these practices into action, you're doing more than just cleaning your doorway. You're creating a space that welcomes prosperity and positivity into your life. Even small, intentional actions like these can create powerful shifts, opening up new pathways for abundance to find its way to you. A clean, welcoming entrance isn't just about appearance, it's a signal to the universe that you're ready to receive good fortune and new opportunities. We encourage you to give these steps a try and see if you notice any changes in your life. Sometimes the smallest changes have the biggest impact. If you enjoyed this video and found these tips helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to your channel name for more insights on attracting wealth and living a life aligned with abundance. Thank you for watching.